Hi guys, this is Moxley from California here. Today I took an epic video of humpback whales in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Pacifica, California, near where I live. Now, normally it is so hard to spot these whales because they usually puff and disappear. But this week's Indian summer for the California coast, which made the waters much warmer than usual. And what you're seeing here is the humpback whales feeding on the school of fish. Normally they do not come up and puff like this. Normally they would puff and disappear in the muddy waters here for 5 to 10 minutes. But as you can see, that they're actually feeding off the school of fish. The darker areas of the ocean is actually the school of fish. And as you can see here, the puff creating this rainbow effect. It was so awesome to really see this in action with Mavic 2 Pro, which I highly recommend. And guys, taking videos of humpback whales takes a long ass time because, like I said, they normally do not come up to the surface as much as they did today. And this is actually hours of footage and just clips of the times that I was able to get a glimpse of the humpback whales. Anyway, hit the thumbs up for me. I will try to take a better video next time. But for right now, these are awesome whale puppies. And please enjoy the rest of the video.